Hi, Tim here with Clive Coffee. We're going to show you how to install the Luminaire shot timer on your Lucca A53 or A53 Mini or other less Spaziale equipment. The tools that you're going to need is your Luminaire shot timer and a Phillips head screwdriver. If you pull the shot timer out of the box, you'll find the display screen, and there's a wire that attaches to this cylindrical looking sensor here. It's a magnet sensor. That's going to be attached using this double stick tape to your group head solenoid. To get into the group head solenoid, we're going to take the top panel off of the machine. It's just one screw in the middle front part of the panel here with your Phillips head screwdriver. And once we're inside, we're going to locate the group head solenoid. Your group is right here, and the solenoid is inside. You can look and you'll see this solenoid is on the pathway towards that group head. So that is the one that opens and closes the water flow to the group head. And our Luminaire shot timer is going to be seated. We're going to install this so that it sits on the top of the tray. There are magnets where it can really be attached anywhere you'd like. You'll want to place the mount piece on the solenoid in this orientation so that the sensor itself is going to sit in place like that. And so I'll show you where it's going to sit, basically back in there. So all you have to do is take this double stick tape backing off. Go ahead and place the mount on the top of your solenoid in this orientation so that our sensor can fit in place. Snaps right in place there. And now we can tuck our wire just underneath here. We'll take our top tray and go ahead and place it back on the machine. I'm going to just gently kind of drop the wire where the sensor is, kind of drop that down in place so that it tucks the rest of the wire back in underneath this top tray. So I'll go ahead and put the screw back into place here. We'll turn the machine on and just verify that our shot timer is working correctly. When I start my shot, I should see my shot timer begin to count up. That's going to count the seconds that my shot is running. And when I press the button to stop the shot, it will stop the timer. So let's go ahead and test that out. And that's how to install a Luminaire shot timer on your Lucca A53 or A53 Mini or other less Spaziale equipment. For more information on using your machine, check out the links here. For other tech tips, visit our knowledge base at clivecoffee.com.